The kasosyo, social investor, gives the joint venture contribution to participate in the SEDP joint venture with Melendres Agricultural Farms. No? After that, we pay out the kasosyo, social investor, based on performance of Melendres Agricultural Farms. And yung social investors po will not become owners of MAF nor of SEDP. So, just to illustrate, no, para mas maintindihan natin ng malinaw, ito po yan. No? So, naririnig nyo po ako sa ating programa sa Usapang Pera, and we open up opportunities such as these. Ano? And yung mga overseas Filipino workers natin, employees, micro and small entrepreneurs, sila po yung ating SEDP kasosyo who now invest in SEDP Co-op. At ito naman po ay ginagamit natin para sa mga nano enterprises o kaya katulad ng Melendres Agricultural Farm na mga organizations, no? So yung mga SEDP kasosyo members natin, they open a joint venture savings account and that will be placed sa SEDP Cooperative. At yun naman po ay ipapahiram natin as joint venture capital doon sa ating mga social enterprises katulad ng Melendres Agricultural Farms. Okay? Yung service charge na kikitain, ayan din po ay yan yung pag-ibibigay natin na dividend doon sa mga SEDP kasosyo members natin. Okay? So you will be able to participate in this MAF5 if you open a SEDP Co-op joint venture savings with us, no? With SEDP. So ano yung mga terms and conditions po nito? Ang total amount for joint venture savings available ay nasa 1.2 million pesos. Maximum amount for fresh deposit ay nasa 1.2 million pesos din, no? For new and existing investors. Ang maximum amount for reinvestment for existing investors ay nasa 600,000 pesos. So this is going to be on a first come, first serve basis, no? Kasi limited lang po yung kailangan ni MAF, no? So ang joint venture contribution po dito ay 10,000 pesos ang minimum and in multiples of 10,000 pesos. Maximum contribution of 500,000 pesos so that we ensure diversification of our portfolio and avoid concentration of the portfolio to a few. Wala po itong entry fee at 1 year po ang term, quarterly ang payout. Okay? 3% po ang ating exit fee if redeemed before the end of the term. The payouts in the wallet we do not earn. At fixed rate po tayo, 9% per annum based on diminishing balance. Ito po ay walang guarantee, no? So how to participate in MAF2? So pwede po kayong mag-open ng ating membership sa SEDP Co-op. So you can actually accept the terms and conditions by scanning this QR code or going to bit.ly/sedpcoopqpmes, no? Step 2 natin is to pay the membership fee and share capital. This is the QR code and the link. And step 3 is to create your SEDP Kasosyo online account through this QR code. So ang membership po natin sa SEDP Co-op ay open to all Filipino citizens of legal age who believe in our mission to promote ethical, inclusive, and sustainable investing. Ako po si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guro, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.